Have you ever felt like life just keeps throwing punches and you're re-stuck on the ropes? What if I told you that you already have the power to bounce back stronger than ever? You just need to unlock it. Today, we're building unbreakable resilience so you can face stress and adversity like a true boss. Welcome, friends. We live in a world that often feels like a constant test. Deadlines, heartbreaks, setbacks. It can feel like we're climbing a mountain with no summit in sight. But what if I told you that resilience isn't just for the lucky or naturally strong? It's a skill you can train, refine, and master. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can build unbreakable resilience, step by step. You'll learn how to turn pain into power, setbacks into comebacks, and stress into fuel for growth. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy. Let's dive deep into the mindset shifts and practical habits that can change your life forever. Chapter 1. Understanding what resilience really is. Most people think resilience means just toughing it out, but it's so much more. Resilience is like a mental muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. It's about adaptability, emotional agility, and seeing setbacks as setups for something better. Imagine a bamboo tree in a storm. It bends, it doesn't break. Unlike a rigid oak that snaps under pressure, bamboo knows how to move with the wind. That's the kind of flexibility we're aiming for. Ask yourself, how do I usually respond to challenges? Do I freeze, lash out, or shut down? Once we become aware of our patterns, we can begin to rewire them. Chapter 2. The power of your mindset. Let's get one thing straight. Mindset isn't just a buzzword. It's the foundation of resilience. A growth mindset, the belief that skills and strengths can be developed, can change your life. Start by reframing problems. Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" Here's a quick exercise. Write down one current struggle you're facing. Underneath, list 3 potential lessons or hidden opportunities in that struggle. This simple shift can transform stress into motivation. Remember, your mind is your most powerful weapon or your biggest saboteur. Which one it is, that's up to you. Chapter 3. Emotional regulation, the secret sauce. You can't build resilience without learning to manage your emotions. That doesn't mean ignoring them or just staying positive all the time. It means feeling them fully, without letting them control your actions. Imagine you're surfing. Can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to ride them. Emotions are the same. Practical tips. Take deep, intentional breaths when you feel overwhelmed. Use a journal to express unfiltered feelings. It's like giving your mind a spring cleaning. Practice mindfulness or meditation to train your brain to observe rather than react. Chapter 4. The power of daily habits. Your habits are the bricks that build your resilient foundation. Small, consistent actions lead to massive change over time. Examples. Move your body daily, even if it's just a 10-minute walk. Prioritize sleep. It's your brain's recovery time. Eat nourishing foods that support your body and mood. Surround yourself with positive, growth-oriented people. Think of these habits as your emotional armor. You don't put on armor when the battle starts. You wear it every day, so you're ready when the storm hits. Chapter 5. Reframing failure. Failure stings. But what if I told you that failure is a necessary ingredient for resilience? Every failure carries data. It tells you what doesn't work and points you toward what might. It's like a personal feedback system from the universe. Great innovators, athletes, and leaders didn't succeed because they avoided failure. They succeeded because they refused to stay down. Next time you fail, ask, what can I learn? How will this make me stronger? This question alone can turn a painful setback into a powerful comeback story. Chapter 6. Strengthening your support system. We weren't designed to do it all alone. Strong support system is like a safety net for your mental health. Seek out mentors, friends, or communities that uplift you. Cut ties with energy vampires, those people who drain you and offer nothing in return. Investing in good relationships strengthens your emotional reserves and gives you people to lean on when times get tough. Chapter 7. Building mental toughness. Mental toughness isn't about being hard or emotionless. It's about staying committed to your values and goals. Even when life tests you, visualize your goals daily. Imagine what your life would look like if you stayed strong no matter what. Speak kindly to yourself. Self-compassion is a superpower most people underestimate. You can't hate yourself into being stronger. You can only support and encourage yourself forward. Final thoughts? Imagine the strongest version of yourself. Picture how they walk, speak, react to stress. That version of you already exists within, waiting to be unleashed. All these steps we've covered are the roadmap to becoming that person. The truth is, you are stronger than you think. The challenges you're refacing today are shaping you into the warrior you were meant to be. Conclusion, now it's your turn. You have the tools, the strategies, and the mindset shifts you need to build unbreakable resilience. Remember, life will keep testing you. But you can learn to rise above, to stand tall when others crumble, to become unbreakable. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more empowering content, and share it with someone who needs this today. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one challenge you're turning into a comeback story right now? I can't wait to hear from you. Together, let's build a community of resilient warriors.